What's going on, everyone? So I ended up in this weird corner of YouTube yesterday, burned through maybe 35 videos about mining Ethereum without investing in crazy expensive hardware. And the thing that really struck me was how every content creator is out here promoting these absolutely convoluted methods, like building custom mining rigs in spare bedrooms, juggling multiple software dashboards simultaneously, and so on. I'm there thinking, man, we're overcomplicating this when cleaner solutions are already available. But first, some background. Cloud mining has seriously matured by 2026. The concept is straightforward. You're buying access to hash power from massive data facilities. They run everything, you receive automated payouts. That's the whole deal. So I've spent real effort investigating these cloud mining options, putting apps through their paces, evaluating pricing models across the board, and my takeaway stays consistent. ArcMine outperforms what else is out there. I continuously scan for emerging alternatives, but nothing's managed to surpass it yet. All right, now I'm running through this live, right? So you see the entire workflow. So pulling up any browser and typing in arcmine.io. Cool, I'm on the main page. Here I'm tapping start mining. Okay, so I'm going with ETH here, but this app actually handles mining for basically every top tier cryptocurrency available. Bitcoin, Solana, BNB, Tron, all the majors, but I stuck with ETH for this demo. So I'm pressing continue. Perfect, now I've got to input my receiving address, which means hopping into my wallet real quick, snagging that address back to the app, and pasting it right in this field. Okay, next up is setting hash rate, power, and mining speed. In plain English, these sliders determine how much computational muscle gets assigned to this job and how aggressive the mining pace is. But catch this, it's tied directly to what you'll pay in fees, meaning if I crank these higher, I'll generate crypto faster, but the service charges climb proportionally. All right, cool, got it. Now I'm defining my target amount. This shows exactly how much crypto I'm shooting for, what that translates to in dollars, and the projected time frame. Right, so now I'm firing up the mining operation, and nice, we're running. Everything's displayed here. Time left, power allocation, efficiency metrics, all of it. So let's let this cook for a second. I'm gonna speed this part up. And great, solid. I've successfully generated this much Ethereum. Now I can pull it into my wallet. But key point here, the platform needs the infrastructure fees settled before any withdrawal happens. It's all broken down right here. So here's the power consumption, here are the computing clusters that got utilized, plus the network transaction fees on top. And one more thing you need to remember, the baseline infrastructure charge for using their resources always sits at $30 minimum. So make sure you account for that when planning your mining. So yeah, everything's laid out clearly. Now I'm just copying this address, or actually I'll grab my phone, scanning this QR code, pasting that wallet address, punching in the amount, and hitting send. Transactions out there waiting for blockchain confirmation now, and jumping back to ArcMine, clicking the I've sent the payment button, and now just waiting for everything to verify. All right, here's what I think really matters about understanding this tool. In 2026, we're in an era where crypto participation should be accessible to guys like you, right? This platform strips away all the traditional obstacles to Ethereum mining. You're not learning command line interfaces, you're not buying equipment that depreciates faster than a new car, and you're not dealing with noise complaints from running fans 24/7. For normal people who want a piece of mining revenue without becoming IT specialists, this has become a legitimate pathway. The whole mining sector's grown up. Real compliance frameworks exist now. Data centers meet environmental benchmarks, performance data is actually verifiable. So yeah, you'll find the link in both the pinned comment and the description box. Try out for yourself, mess around with various configurations and durations, and let me know in the comments how it goes once you've actually run a contract. Peace out.